Hold on. Coco, you're not in there. You're not in your cage. You're not back here. Let's go look and find out. You're not over there. Let's go look and see where you at. Coco and Rocky, where are you? Alright. What in the... What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Rocky, Coco, what are you doing? Are you embarrassed? Are you embarrassed? What in the world have you been doing this whole time? I thought you was locked up I thought you was in the cage. You left out the cage? And you should be ashamed of yourself, Rocky. Coco, what you doing? Rocky. Are you trying to have babies or something? Huh? You just looking at me like that? What about you, Rocky? I saw you. You was busted. You was busted. Both of y'all. Busted. What should we do? Should we put y'all on punishment? Cause you supposed to be in the cage. You see how you ate off my ceiling, my wall up? I already gotta get that fixed because you just been chewing on everything. I come in here and you getting banged all up by Rockster. You guys in the comments, tell me what I should do. Should I put her back in the cage? Should I put him in the cage? Or should I leave them both alone? Let them mind their own business?